Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Our topic for today's discussion is impact of social media on our lives. So basically, I will start with the definition of social media and what is social media is. So basically, social media, as you all know, is a computer-based technology, and it is a technology, and it helps us to transmit information to contact anyone throughout the world, no matter what the location is. So first, I will share my opinion. So in my opinion, social impact of social media on our lives is in very good way. It is impacting us in a good way. Like we can, there are many positive effects. Like we can share our information. We can, as students, we can obtain many information. It helps us in studying. We can contact anyone in the world, no matter what location is. It is also helping in business industries. So basically, in my point of view, it has having a positive effect. I will like you all to please mention your opinions.
Yeah, I totally agree with Deepak. Basically, people think that social media is not good for our society. It's not the boon for the society. But I think that it's a boon because people consider that the information that we get is not good for a society. But I think information, the word, it says that information is always good. There is no such a bad information. The bad thing which is there is the knowledge which is inside the information. The knowledge which we give is not full knowledge, it's half knowledge. So people make the analysis according to that half knowledge. So I think that society is a boon for.
I agree with the Niladri as now. Yeah. I totally agree with the Niladri as now we can see communication has also become easier with the social networking side, and now many political parties also getting involved in the social networking to interact with the people. So it has very good impact on our society and for people to communicate easily.
I totally agree with you that it has become a boon for the businesses and the society, politician and all. But it is also taking a much time of the youngster. You can see, as a survey has been taken that the social media is uh, as also known as a infinite pool, which means that if a person go to the social media once, he just spend around 1 to 2 hours on the social media, and which is not good for the or youth.
I disagree. I disagree with Amit. You are telling that it's not good for youth, right? But there are many people who are using social media, but they are not wasting their time 2 hours. They are only 15 minutes, 20 minutes for their own work. They are getting knowledge from it. So you are telling that the youths are not good for that. It's wrong news. Your only analysis is half. I think that youth are getting affected, but not all youths. It totally depends
And
upon
also,
person to person.
yes,
I totally
yes,
agree with
absolutely.
the Niladri.
See, basically, good and bad things are two faces of coins. If you consider anything, if you use it more than limit, it will harm you. And if you use it in your limit, then it's a specific limit, then it will give benefit to you. Same is with the
but
social media.
but if
It
you
depends on person to person. See, it depends on person to person. If you use it in your limit and if you use it in good way, then it will definitely benefit you.
I understand.
It is
I
on you.
understand, Deepak. Deepak, I understand what you are telling, but the social media is a type of uh, play that they will not. They will just uh, initiate you to spend more time on the social media because they are showing more and more content to you. Then how can you leave that social media in a 10
See,
to
if you
15 minutes?
Amit, if you
Viewers,
see the algorithm of social media is designed in such a way that it will show you what you like. If your
Yes.
like and preferences are not your good things, then it will not show you good things. If your likes and preferences are towards your education and towards good things, then it will show you good things and will not waste your time.
See, good and bad
I
things
agree with
depend totally
but
on the
friends,
person to person. What is good for you, that only will be showing to you by the social media. And if it's good for you, you know that this is good for you. Then it will show you and more and more. Then you will spend more and more time on that.
That only Deepak is saying it totally depends. You are focusing on education and good things, or you are focusing on bad things.
See, yes, basically spending time on good things is very nice to you. Like it will benefit you only. If you're spending time on good thing on education, it will benefit you.
But what about
Students are getting addicted to social media and leaving their studies behind.
I
Many
agree
of
with
the
Deepak as
people
I was conducted on students to know about that it is helping them in their education or it is affecting their studies. And most of the students said that it is helping them in their education and helping them get motivated.
many of the people while interacting on social media, they share their personal informations and losing their privacy. Due to this, there are many cyber crimes are also increasing, or many people are doing bully things
Vivek, I want
on
to
many social media.
Vivek, I want to ask you a question. You are telling that people who is doing the first thing, the person is leaking his own information. It's not the problem of social media. You are only giving your own information, no? Then how you can blame social media for that?
But
You
the person
are
are getting
only
fooled
doing
by
that
the
thing.
website.
What?
They make so much interactive website that they make a person make fool.
To
Yeah,
get
they
that
cheat the
person
people.
is
On
only
your
fool.
point, Vivek, on your point, I
cheat
want to
people
add something
to
like you are saying
many
absolutely
of us.
correct that there is a privacy issue, but day by day it is getting solved by certain security algorithms, and various companies, major companies, are working on it to solve this issue, and it is happening because major of if you see in our villages, plenty of population are uneducated, and due to that they are filling information in on non-trusted websites also. So it is our duty also, but in the case of non-educated people we can't do anything, but our government and the many of the companies are working on this and creating solutions so that these privacy issues get solved out. And talking about the cyberbullying part, so it depends on your upbringing and what kind of person you are. So if you are a good person, you would not do such kind of bullying to anyone.
Yes.
Nowadays,
So
with the
yeah,
help of it has become easier for the people to donate to the needy people. We can see whether it's a medical emergency or it's a natural calamity. People donate the goods and monies to the needy people and they receive it very easily.
But I think because of social media, people can express their opinion and can share the experience easily. Like social media has become must for nowadays for student or for aged person.
One more point I would like to add is regarding students. See, if you consider our scenario in 10 to 15 years ago, if you ask the passed outs from 10 to 15 years ago and regarding education and regarding how easy it was to study, they will say that it was very difficult. But we as our generation, due to social media, it is very easy for us to like knowledge is on our fingertips. We can just type anything and we can get any information we want. It was not easy as it is now previously.
See, because
so
of
yeah,
this only the problem has been
in social media. So basically in social media, when if social media increases, the people will make you fool. So basically, if you all also know, if when you open the YouTube, the mobile comes, the 4,000, 5,000 mobile. The full 5 GB RAM, 6 GB RAM mobile comes. It will show you. So that mobile you will only order and pay money. The mobile will not come home. So basically, the platform like YouTube, in that is also happening. So who needs to take care? The person who is scrolling or using YouTube, he needs to remember that 6 GB RAM, 5,000 phone does not come. The person only, you cannot blame social media why they are using that. Yeah,
Yeah, that's
Amit,
what
you
I
were
said.
telling
It
something.
depends on your preference. It depends upon your preferences that it will show. Like on YouTube also, what type of videos you are viewing and what types you are assigning preference. That type of things are only coming. Like if you search regarding mobile on Google, it will show you on YouTube. So you have to have control on yourself, and it's not completely fault of social media also.
See, Deepak, I agree with you, but as we are talking about the adults, they know what is good for them, what is not good for them. But what about the youngster, which are what about the teenagers? They do not know, and they have a less self control on their self. So so the social media can control them very easily.
Amit, I
In that
think
case,
that you are
it is
wrong.
the responsibility of our it is the responsibility of adults to stop them, and it is responsibility of parents to not to have control over that their teenagers.
See
I
how much
think that
control the
Amit,
parents will
I think that
put
you
on
are
the
telling
child.
the teenagers. Amit, I think that you are telling that teenagers are not in control, but the teenagers are quite mature to watch porn videos. Means you are telling they are mature to watch porn videos, but they are not mature to how to control themselves.
Yes,
You are
yes,
wrong. You are
absolutely.
telling that people.
I completely, I completely agree with what Niladri is saying. If you see the point of maturity which you are showing, that if anyone is mature enough, he will mature enough. He not is not mature, then he will not know anything about such adult industries and porn industry. If he is if he has the knowledge of that thing, he should also have the knowledge of good things also.
But you see the if he has no knowledge, like you have said that now we have all the information on our fingertip. This is good, but it can also create a problem because all the information is there on our fingertip. Because of that, we have the access to the negative thing also. And as we are adult, we have the control. Okay, but the teenager, they don't have control. They will go to the side and do whatever feels them good. Okay, because at that age they do not know what is harming them and what is there. They are satisfying their
See,
desire.
on this point,
But
on this
but
point, see, on
I
this
think
point
that
also.
teenagers are more mature because the adults don't make video on TikTok. Who make the teenagers made a video on TikTok? So whom you think mature? Adults are mature or they are mature?
See,
They are
teenagers.
mature.
I
That's why
would
they
like to
are.
add one more point.
Hmm.
I would like to add one more point regarding, see, if you all this issue of student of teenagers don't having control on them, so we can solve this issue by spreading social awareness. And I would like to also add one point that due to social media, spreading social awareness is very easy, and it was not as easy as it is now. It has been not easy in previous years. It is easy. It is very easy nowadays. And if you consider any issue of any rape cases and any social issue, the people in the villages are also getting aware regarding that, and it is having very positive impact. So we can also carry a campaign regarding this teenager issue, that they are not having control, because each and every teenager is on social media. And if we start a campaign and spread awareness regarding what is good for them and what is bad for them,
I
then it can
totally
have a
agree
certain
with
good impact on them.
I totally agree with the Deepak. And can we conclude now?
Yes, it's been too long, so let's conclude the discussion.
So I conclude this discussion. So after having a long discussion and considering everyone's point, I can see that we cannot neglect that our social media has made our life easier, and it has been profit for many things like businesses and all the MSMEs businesses which are going. They are bringing the offline business to the online business, and it is also making communication easier. But also we cannot neglect that social media also carry some negative impact also. So for that we have to take care about that it should not take our life from ourselves. Okay, and the social media should not control our life. Thank you.
So,
Yeah. Thank
thank
you.
you,
Thank
everyone.
you.